We are pleased to present you the flagship product of the Urovo data collection terminal line. Long-range industrial terminal Urovo RT40. High-performance and state-of-the-art Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 series processor and Android 10 operating system. Output device performance to the next level. The Urovo RT40 is a highly functional mobile computer. Urovo RT40 identifies goods by 1D and 2D barcodes. It scans from the screen and can read codes from dirty and deformed labels. It also sorts products according to whatever parameters you specify. It makes it easier to find products in warehouses and eliminates ordering delays. It also allows you to make inventory without stopping the trading process. Thanks to the Urovo RT40, you can reduce the time of trading operations up to 5 times, removing the possibility of errors and shortage of goods. The RT40 is designed to work in extreme conditions. Has a protection class of IP68. It's completely protected from dust and moisture. Urovo RT40 operates at low and high temperatures from -20 to +50 degrees Celsius. It is equipped with a built-in heated LCD display and a scanning module, and is capable of withstanding multiple drops from 1.8 meters on concrete. It has an optional long-range scanner that provides fast barcode reading, even from a distance of up to 15 meters. Thanks to the built-in 13-megapixel camera, with the Urovo RT40 you can independently take photos of commodity items and load them into your system, or record goods with incorrect labeling. The RT40 has an island-style keyboard QWERTY with 38 keys, 4 inches touchscreen, intuitive operation, and it has the ability to work with gloves. All this makes working with the Urovo RT40 easy and comfortable. The Urovo RT40 is equipped with a reliable 5200 mAh battery. The device is designed to allow a hot swap of discharged battery without needing to be rebooted. It's time to get the increased performance, speed and reliability of the new Urovo RT40. Open horizons of opportunities with new technologies, Urovo.